The rapid development in drone technology in recent times has meant that users of different levels of expertise can find the machine that suits them and enjoy a thrilling flying experience. But most standard drones, even the most basic ones, can be difficult to handle for very young users. Another common issue faced with a typical drone is that it needs a fair amount of space to be flown, which is difficult to come by in the city. So it's a good thing that we are seeing new mini drones in the market too, much like the product we have for you today. These are easy enough to be operated solo by kids as young as 5 years of age, and lightweight enough that they don't cause any damage even if they bump into things.
Here we go!
The drone we are featuring today is called the EACHINE E010 Mini UFO Quadcopter, which weighs just 1.8 ounces and measures 3.7 by 3.7 by 2 inches in size. That's small enough to fit into your palm. Despite this small size, which makes it a much safer option in most urban environments, it comes packed with a good set of features to not disappoint any budding drone enthusiast. One of the key features that make the EACHINE E010 easy to fly is its simple WASD control system, which is similar to what is seen in many video games. This intuitive system lets you manage the drone easily, not just in its basic up, down and turn motions, but master impressive flips and rolls in no time too. The high-low speed switch allows users to get used to the controls at their own pace. The headless mode lets the drone fly in the direction you are facing, and the compass mode helps it change its flight direction with the change in direction of the remote control, which brings more confidence to beginners. The drone's advanced 6-axis gyro display also gives it substantial stability while flying, and you have the LED system to guide you even when you are flying the drone at night. Another really innovative feature, particularly useful for inexperienced users, is the One Key Return feature. With its built-in positioning system, the drone can auto-locate the remote control, so you just press the return button and the drone flies back to the remote control's location without you having to manually guide it. Add to this the flying time of 5 minutes on one charge and a flying distance of 30 meters, and you have a very impressive drone on your hands that might be mini in terms of size, but can go head-to-head with much larger and more expensive machines in terms of functionality. It even performs very strongly in the user reviews, with a great average of 4.2 on 5 stars from over 1,250 separate customer ratings. As expected, its ease of flying and stability make it a crowd favorite, with many comments talking about its popularity with young users. That's all we have on the EACHINE E010 Mini UFO Quadcopter drone for now. Check out the description below for some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Looking for something else? Take a look at our other drone reviews here on Next Tech Review. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.